Hi everybody, Desert Guardian here, and some of you may have seen on my Instagram feed yesterday, I just got a killer care package from the guys and gals over at Polymer80. They sent out a nice little handwritten note, the new Polymer80 decals, new patch. We've got the brand spanking new Polymer80 PF Series Magwell, and then of course the brand new fluted, threaded stainless Polymer80 barrel. So I figured I'd put together a little install video. So we'll go ahead and get that started. Set this aside so it's not in the way. I haven't even opened up the package yet, so this should be fun. And we will take my original PF940C project gun that most of you have seen in videos and pictures. This one had a red hive trigger and red mag release on it, and red mag base for that matter, but I took them off. I swapped them out for some black and some gray because we're going to make this a little more monochromatic, a little bit different look to the gun. So you might have seen it in its brighter color form recently in the past. So let's go ahead and take a peek. I've already cleared it, but I'm going to do it again. Set the mag aside, and let's do the Magwell first. So let's go ahead and disassemble it. Set the slide up here. And here's the frame. So here we have the Magwell. So we're going to pop it open, see what we've got inside. So we've got the insert here with the two screws, the Magwell itself. And we'll set the package aside here. So this little insert goes right up in the back of the frame here, and it's held in place by a big set screw. And then of course the Magwell will sit right like that when we're done. So real classy look to it. So let's grab my unconscionably expensive Allen wrenches. Truth be told, they're actually my son's. They go with his radio controlled cars. I believe the two bigger ones are the ones I'm going to need. And we'll pop open the little hardware here. And first put the frame plug in. Oops, there we go. There's the set screw and the screw that actually holds this in place, the flush screw. So as you can see on the frame plug, it's got a little half moon shape right here, and that is going to snug right here. So you take this guy and just slide it in. Hopefully we're getting good light and good angle there. It's going to slide right in here, and you can see it's perfectly flush with the PF940C frame. I mean, it was made for it, so looks real sharp. Then you see the larger set screw goes in the back. See if I can start it with my fingers. There we go. And grab the Allen. That should snug up in there to hold that plug in place. I'm going to hold it with my thumb to make sure it doesn't move at all. There we go. So there's the set screw. And then the Magwell itself will slide right over the edge of the frame and in place like so. Boy, does that look good. So we got the little Polymer80 logo on it. It is billet aluminum. So we take the flush screw, which is a little bit smaller Allen. Grab my other Allen wrench here. I believe this is the right size, yep. And we'll drop that guy right in. Hopefully my hands aren't in the way. And that sits nice and flush and snug. So there we go. There is the new Polymer80 PF940C Magwell. That is a sharp look. I like that a lot. All right, so next up, we'll put the new barrel in. So we're going to take out the titanium nitride barrel that I've been running. And like I said, we're going to go a little more monochromatic here. So we'll set that guy aside. Oh, I've got a little staple to deal with here. There we go. So I do like this because it comes with little rubber grommets for the thread protector, which is kind of nice. A lot of barrels don't come with that. But offers a little bit of security and cushion right there. So, of course, we've got to take the thread protector off. We'll take off the little O-ring just so it doesn't get caught up. And we just drop this right into the slide from back to front. snap it into place. And throw the recoil spring assembly back in. We'll throw an O-ring back on it. And we'll put the thread protector back on. Throw the slide back on. And there we have it. So we've got the new Polymer80 Magwell on and the brand new Polymer80 fluted with a spiral twist to it stainless steel barrel. So here, so with it locked open, see those nice little flutes on it. Nice little thread protector. Definitely a sexy look on this gun. So with the mag in, Magwell in place. Oop, turn on my light. And there we have it. My PF940C, the original Desert Guardian project gun, has gotten a little bit of a facelift with the new Polymer80 Magwell and Polymer80 stainless fluted threaded barrel. So I'll get some clips of this up on Instagram, but I'll leave this up on YouTube so everybody can take a look at it. If you guys have any questions, concerns, comments, feel free to comment below. Love to hear from you, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And obviously we're going to get some nice range shots of this out pretty soon. We'll take it out, shoot it, put some rounds down this new barrel, practice some reloads with the new Magwell, and see how it all works. But man, I tell you, this is a beautiful, classy look. I'm real excited about it. So like I said, questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. But that's it for now. Desert Guardian, out.